WINT stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Windtree Technologies, therapeutic stock, and it fell down quite hard. And that's kind of the main reason why I'm making a video on this. Because last time I made a video, I was short selling and I wanted to take things lower, right? Here's the proof. At a time, I was sitting at 13 sets already a month ago. Only got like 1 like because now people don't want me to be bearish. It went from 13 and then we had like a reverse split. So it went like from right here and we fell down around 80% in a freaking 30 days and 37 days, and then came up yet again, and now we're here. It's still a bearish, very bearish market. The likelihood and the idea here is that more likely than not, the price will just keep melting, and without it giving me any rules or just shifting, or if there's a big catalyst or whatever, I'm not going to be buying, because this is not a buying chart, merely bearish biased market. So not financial advice, it is bearish for me. I'm not touching it. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.